Okay, we're at Signal Mountain, the trail, and we've gone about 1.5 miles. Thought I'd get a little recording in because we don't get out this way that much, and this is about 34 miles north of Fort Collins on Highway 14 West. Although it's off of that, but it's Peregrine something. There's Colorado University schools up here. Or school. Mountain school. Very tucked away, nobody else out here. Lots of people camping and hiking down below. But we're the only one up here, and that's the way it was when I first came across this in 2015. A little bit of snow still, and it's, what is it? May 17th, 2020. I may not be going too much further though. I'm pretty damn winded. Just out of shape. Rip. Hey. Come here. Huh? Rawr. He's such a well-tempered dog. Okay, let's go. Rip, hey. Hey, let's chill for a minute. I didn't know what that means. Okay, go ahead, buddy. There you go. Yep. Hey, let's stop for a minute. What you looking at?